Welcome to Quickvee version 6.0. Let's take a closer look at the Register Settings tab in the Station Settings section of the POS. This is where you can enable additional payment methods and customize key features and streamline your checkout process. First, you can activate additional payment methods including Food EBT, Cash EBT, and Quickvee's built-in gift card feature. In addition to that, we have the all-new lottery payout option. The Register Settings tab allows you to adjust a variety of features, like Stock Prompt, which enables notifications when stock is low, or 21 Plus Manager PIN, restrict access for employees who bypass ID scanning. They will require a manager approval to proceed, or enable a cash discounting disclaimer for the rear display. This shows customers cash-based discounts. And if you don't want to use our rear display, you can enable the rear display or disable the rear display. We also have features like your idle lock screen time. This is where you can set how many minutes of inactivity before the PIN screen appears. Turn off or on Quickvee's brand new dark theme, and enable auto locking after transactions for added security and peace of mind. Quickvee also offers a fully customizable cashback feature where you can set a cashback limit and a cashback charge. With these customizable options, the Register Settings tab empowers you to tailor your POS system to suit your store's unique needs. Quickvee version 6.0 is designed to make your operations more efficient and secure. Explore the Register Settings tab today and unlock the full potential of your POS system. Thank you for choosing Quickvee.